Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing how to upload your seller course on your seller and how to upload your online course or ebook on your seller account. So if this is your first time watching my video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. So the first thing you have to do is log into your creator dashboard as in your seller account. So you'll be directed to your creator dashboard. So you will see by the right of your screen, you see add a product. So click on it. Add a product, whether it is digital or physical product. So as you can see, you see select a product type to proceed, whether a physical product you want to upload or digital product, tickets or anything, or you are trying to do a subscription like sell recurring payment subscription for your products or sales to your customers. So as you can see, so what you are trying to do is like sell, you are trying to upload a digital product. So any kind of digital platform, ebooks to any downloadable products, to music, to courses, downloadable or hosted outside seller, to any other products used on external platforms and more. As you can see, physical products, say any kind of physical product from clothing to books to electronics and appliance and more. So click on next. So we are uploading digital products on seller course. So as you can see, it brings you to the real page. You are going to do your settings at the main thing you are going to upload it. So as you can see, product details. So you have to upload your image first. Like, let me just say we are trying to publish a book on. I'm trying to upload a course. So let me click on drag and browse. So let me just make use of this as my book cover. So as you can see, maybe I'm trying to upload a course on how to become a better chef out there, and how to become a professional cook, a professional chef. So the name of the products, so you put it there, like become how to become a better chef. Let me just say that, or professional chef, any one of it. So what's the sale price? So this is where you input the price, the exact price that you want. So let me just like just three 5,000. It's okay. 5,000. So as you can see, set price to zero for a free product. By default, you set the price in your local currency and we automatically convert the amount to other currencies on your store page. So in case your ads is being directed to foreigners, like people outside the country, so it will do the normal settings for them, like it will bring the payout method in their country for them to pay. So for this, as if we want to brainstorm the people or the way are trying to like want to you use some things to guide them that this course is worth more than 5,000. So we just click on show strike out original products. You click on it, you just put like 20, 15,000, 20,000. Anyone, just put like 20,000. So whenever you see an ad that's been running on Facebook that you see that it was called there's a strike on the three real original product, that means it's been strike out. So you input the text of the products you are trying to upload or the digital product you are try to upload on your seller. As you can see, just input the description here and then the category of where your product belong to. Maybe it is based on health and finance and stuff like that. So maybe it is based on health and beauty, anyone. So just choose the one that is with you. So I can just choose like self-help or education. So if you have a subcategory, you can also input like personal development. Now to become a better chef is just like a personal development. So you choose it. Then this period has multiple variants options like different tiers. No, these are just for like people who are trying to sell clothes or clothes and like clothes has like different size and all this stuff like that. Like shoes like that, like all this stuff. More details, upsell and cross. No. So product type, if it's not a digital product, you can choose it back. So they're uploading digital products. So you don't need to do anything like pre-order. So if we give buyer access to a file, if it is a file that contains a lot that contains your video, so you can just upload the video. Say this can say maximum file size 750 MB megabytes. So you can just drag it. But if you don't have a file like you want to upload, then you can input your external link or your anyone, just like pasting it here. So automatically redirect the buyer to an external link after a purchase. So the link of your course or the video you are trying to follow, you can just input it here. That's all. With this option, your customers are redirected after a purchase to the external URL you set. If you want them to access the file, you upload to Selar. Selar, do not set this URL. So then if you are done, just click on create products, and that's all. You click on you click on create products, and then your product is live immediately like that. So that's why you upload course on sale. So if you really enjoy my video, can you please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it and comment on my video. So if there's any question you need to ask, please kindly comment on my video. I'll be there to answer it. Thank you. Good day, everyone.